Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: CAC inserted, middleware active, and network access. Once verified, open the approved Citrix client or browser portal. Make sure your DoD certificate appears. Click the Army Virtual Desktop tile to start a session, then select the server profile you were assigned. Enter your CAC PIN when prompted and allow the client to authenticate. This step establishes a secure, certificate-based connection, so don't rush past authentication prompts. Authentication ensures your session is properly isolated and logged. Once the desktop launches, confirm you're in the correct enclave and profile. This prevents accidental data spills. You'll want to configure display settings and local resource redirection. Toggle clipboard, drives, and printers from the session options to match your workflow. If you need mapped drives, use the provided network drive mapping utility and authenticate with your domain credentials. This integrates your workspace with shared resources. Make sure antivirus and security policies finish applying. They are required to enforce compliance and keep the virtual desktop stable. To finish, save files to authorized network shares and log off through the Start menu to close your session cleanly. This prevents orphaned sessions and data loss. If the desktop won't connect, first reinsert your CAC and ensure the PIN is accepted. Then clear the Citrix client cache and restart the client. If problems persist, collect error details, time, error codes, and screenshots, and submit a help ticket. That step expedites support and keeps your access traceable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.